Hello, future CAs. Today we are going to cover something that I am damn sure most of you would have skipped for your advanced accounting paper, theory. You will be surprised to know that theory is there in the paper, guys. Yes, it is there. So for that, what I have done, even if you have skipped this completely, these 5 to 7 minutes will tell you the bare minimum that you can learn and go to exam. I have gone through every single RTP, MTP and past exam paper in the new syllabus, and I have selected 10 questions from which any one question has a high chances of coming in the exam, guys. Just 10 questions. Before I get there, I have also noticed a very interesting pattern. In the new syllabus from May 24 till May 25, if you look at the pattern, guys, in the first attempt they didn't ask theory, then theory came. Again theory was not asked, again theory came. Based on this pattern, we can, looking at the trend, say in this September 25 exam for CA Inter Advanced Accounts, theory may not come, but we can never predict ICAA, guys. For our safe side, if you have the time, at least these 10 questions let us go through. I am not going to teach you these 10 questions in detail like a regular class. Like a marathon, I will mark these 10 questions and brief those points. First is the RTP September 25, latest one, applicability for non-company of accounting standards. Recently, I made a video on this amendment in advanced accounts where we classify entities as MSME and the other one is what, guys? Large entities, level 1 to 3 and level 4. I have made a detailed 10 minutes video on that. Link for that is in the description of this video. You can go study that. Second is elements of financial statement. This has come in model test paper, mock test paper and RTPs, guys. It's a simple one. Elements of financial statement. Question looks different, but answer you all know. You just have to explain what is asset, liability, then equity, income, gain and expenses. Basically each element in your P&L and balance sheet. These points you will read by yourself. You can find it in the respective sources. It is there in your module 1, or quickly take a screenshot. This is the answer. Don't ask me PDF for all these. Quickly. Next, again in module 1 of our study mat, this has come in RTPs, MTPs. What is the characteristics? One of the characters of financial statements is neutrality. Do you agree? They're asking you. So this is the answer for the question neutrality, guys. Simple. Yes, one of the characteristics of financial statement is neutrality, to be reliable. That means the financial information contained in FS must be neutral. That is free from bias. That means because this person is my friend, this creditor is my friend, we are not paying him. I am removing him from my liabilities so that he also saved. I also don't have to pay him. As a director, I get benefit. No, it should be free from bias. The presentation should be very neutral. FS, if it's not neutral, then the focus could shift from one area of business to another by arriving at a totally different conclusion of business results. Take a screenshot, quickly go through the key points over here. Okay, basically neutrality means you have to be neutral towards something, have a neutral opinion and don't have any bias, guys. Qualitative characteristics of financial statements, many times in RTP and MTP, this also has come. So these are the qualitative characteristics of financial statements. Most of these terms you know, just that you don't remember now. Qualitative characteristics are your understandability, understanding FS, relevance, reliability and comparability. These terms you studied in your school also, so I am not going to explain now, guys. Take a screenshot, quickly read these points. Next, in module 1, introduction to accounting standards, there are 3 questions. That's why I have marked it as 5, 6 and 7, guys. Let me go there. Okay, now in introduction to accounting standards, if you look at the first question, explain objectives of accounting standards in brief and state the advantage of setting accounting standards. This one came in the latest May 25 exam. So exclude this, and the remaining 3 questions in the book are important. untested theory for exam in new syllabus. And these three questions which I have highlighted here in green have come in RTPs, MTPs, but not in the main exam. Process for issuing Indian accounting standards, step 1 2 3 4, many are there. Then significance of emergence of IFRS as global standards, little okay. This one is very important. Carve-outs and carve-ins in Ind AS, very very important, guys. Done with 7 questions over here, guys. It will hardly take you 20-30 minutes after this to quickly go through these points. Last 3 questions. How borrowing cost will be capitalized when funded by borrowings from bonds issued at discount? What they're trying to say, if a bond of rupees 100 is issued at 90, I have discount on issue. Will I capitalize this 10 rupees discount on issue? Answer is yes. The definition of borrowing cost itself, no. The definition of borrowing cost says borrowing cost includes interest along with discount on issue of securities. So over here, thus borrowing cost comprises periodic interest payable and the amount of discount amortized during the period. These 2 paragraphs are the answer. You can quickly take a screenshot if you want answer for this instead of going and searching these answers, guys. Okay, next, amalgamation versus absorption versus external reconstruction. Wherever relevant, I'm giving source also. The previous question is mock test paper September 25, except in that question, that paper, it's not there anywhere else. This is mock test paper May 25, series 2, question number 9, guys. Look at this. There is a table giving difference between amalgamation, absorption and external reconstruction. Let me quickly elaborate. There are totally 5 points, but first let me show you the first 2 points. 2 or more companies are wound up and a new company is formed. A plus B becoming C. A and B is closed, becomes C. Next, existing company takes over the other company. So A plus B becomes A. So A is taking over B. External reconstruction means a new company is formed to take over the existing company. So new company B is coming and taking over A. This is the difference between amalgamation, absorption and external reconstruction. I'm being very fast. Take a screenshot of these 2 points, guys, and below come down here these 3 points. It is very very self-explanatory. My goal of this video is only to highlight these key theory questions for you all. Last one, why goods are marked at invoice price while sending to branch chapter from Jan 25 mock test paper, guys. This question also, the answer is fairly simple. 3 points. First, to keep secret, branch should not know why. I mean, what is the actual cost? Control of stock. You know, we reverse the profit. We'll have control of the cost and all of that. The stock must always be equal to opening stock minus that, what to say, stock reserve, all of that. And we reverse the profit immediately when we send in branch. If you send at 120, if 100 is cost, you reverse 20. Those adjustments. And to dictate the pricing policy to its branch, because to each branch, you can send at different prices, then see what happens. So these are the points. You can take a screenshot of these 3 points also and quickly learn these points. That's about it, guys. So these are the 10 questions that we have for theory. At least these 10 you learn and go in exam. If at all, if it comes in the exam from these questions, you can get the marks, and it will not take more than 1 hour maximum to learn these 10 questions, guys. That's about it. Don't be like, sir, you told 5 marks in 5 minutes, sir. You are almost close to 10 minutes. Come on, guys. I thought 5 minutes, it took close to 10 minutes. That's about it. All the best. Keep studying. Thank you.